Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Courtney Reagan. Well, the Dow hasn't hit a new high since January, but it is on an incredible run. Get this, the index has not closed below its 200-day moving average in more than 470 sessions. That's its longest stretch since 1984. Is this a good omen for the markets? Wald, you're with us here. Let's look at the charts and what they're telling you. 470 sessions. That's incredible.
That's a long time without a close below the 200-day, but we have tested it, and we've actually gone below it on an intraday basis. And let me show you the chart to show you that. Here's the Dow Jones Industrial Average charted with its 200-day moving average. And just recently, April ticked below the 200-day moving average. Then again in May, ticked below the 200-day moving average. So we didn't close below it, but we tested it successfully as well. Now, since that successful test, which created a higher low, we've now reversed this trend of lower highs that we've been in since January. So when you add it all up, we think this correction that we've been in since January is coming to an end, and we think we're now set up for the inflection higher. We think the uptrend is set to continue.
Very interesting. Mike, what do you think? Are you reading the charts the same way? Do you think the inflection is set to continue, or does that two-time test sort of concern you that we haven't really put that final test in the market lower?
No, it doesn't concern me at all. I agree with Ari. I mean, look at it from a macroeconomic standpoint. A lot of the political overhang that's been bothering the markets have subsided. I think you're going to see earnings to continue to grow. There's a lot of optimism around earnings, and companies are delivering. So fundamentally, it looks good, and that's what's different than many of these other periods where it has been above the 200-day moving average for so long, is that earnings are still strong, dividend yields are still high, and the economy is really growing, and the economy is booming. So we're also coming off a 10 to 12% correction since the highs for the year. Even though we're flat for the year, the market was up, pretty significantly at the beginning of the year. So we're positive, short and long term. We would stick with owning equities, owning the Dow, and we're going to continue this hitting streak.
Very interesting. So both of you agree, Ari and Michael, it looks like it could be up from here if we follow along with your logic and reasoning. Thank you so much for joining us today. Appreciate it. And thank you all for watching Trading Nation. I'm Courtney Reagan. We'll see you next time.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.